Welcome to our Nova School video series. This is Marvin from NovaPool, and in this video, I explain what the fees are all about. What are pool fees? When choosing a pool to delegate to, one of the terms you will encounter is pool cost, or pool fee. Pool fees are charged once per epoch, i.e. every 5 days. They go to the pool operator and are intended to compensate the expenses for the operation and maintenance of the stake pool. Very important to note, contrary to the often incorrect popular belief, pool fees are not charged from delegators or taken away from their delegated amount, but merely deducted from the generated pool rewards before they are divided among the delegators. So, when you delegate, you can never go into the red. Only your personal profit is reduced by the pool fees. Pool fees are collected in 2 steps. First, the pool's fixed fee, usually 340 ADA, is deducted from the pool reward and given to the pool operator. Then a percentage amount is again deducted from the rest of the rewards, which is usually 1 to 3%, and also goes to the pool operator. The amount of pool fees are set by the pool operator and can be changed at any time, with the value of 340 ADA for the fixed fee being the minimum per epoch. The variable fee is not subject to any specifications. Before this change will come into effect, the current and the next epoch will pass, i.e. 5 to 10 days. Different terms are often used for these 2 pool fees, but they all mean the same thing. The fixed fee is usually referred to as fixed cost, or fixed fee, and the variable as relative cost, relative fee, variable cost, variable fee, or also margin. After deducting these 2 pool fees from the original reward, the remainder is divided among the delegators proportionally, depending on your delegated stake. How exactly this process works and how the rewards are calculated, you can see in our advanced video, Reward Calculations Simply Explained. If this video has added value to you and you would like to stake too, feel free to come on board. Follow us on Twitter for the latest news about Cardano and our pool. If you have any questions, feel free to check out our multilingual Telegram group. See you in the next epoch!